We got falcon feeding. Here you go, guys. See? This is a cool bird. Friendly little guy. How's that taste, buddy? It's pretty good, isn't it? I'm gonna call you Yogi. Oh, get my hand. This is cool. This is freaking awesome. And I see the little chipmunk too. You also got a little chipmunk here. Man, I feel like the Noah's Ark. You're a cool bird, buddy. Oh, now he's going to Aaron. This guy is getting a feast today. Alright, and we have another one here. Man, we are a popular bunch of guys today, Aaron. How's this one taste? Another one here. Stick around, buddy. You're gonna fly away. You have to tug away on her.